So we're up in Pasco County today on the D&G Railroad, and we have a special 4th of July weekend arrival from my favorite store, Zitnik. The brand new Athearn Bicentennial paint scheme. DDA40X with the caboose. So Mother Nature's kind of put a dampener on the outdoor activities, but that's alright because we got trains to play with. So as you can see, the D&G is still a work in progress, but we're slowly getting it there. Our dwarf lights and signals installed. And Moly's Diner. And all the signals down there. Of course, the main part of this layout is 12 by 14. Hooks up to this frame. It gets cranked up into the ceiling. So Monday through Friday, this is an automotive shop. So we get over here and we're on the edge of the 12 by 14 foot table. Sections that go off into the reversing area, reversing double Ys. One track to the other, lead into the switch yard. And there's our first modular piece. A nice number 8 double crossover. Our second modular section. That's curve switch to go from one main line to the other. And here's the brake for our third modular section. And there is the brake for the fourth modular section. And yes, there's track under here. And there we have a brake for our fifth modular section. This takes us back to the edge of the 12 by 14 foot section that raises up. So Monday through Friday, this is an automotive shop. And here's our other reversing Y. And it takes you back around. To the staging yard. We have this outer track, runs completely through the whole switch yard. Can be accessed by those set of switches, and it continues all the way around. The two tracks inside of it are the main lines. And they head off up to the big loop. This goes into two staging tracks through this tunnel. All the way along under here, like I said, that'll be a subway and part of there, some viewing holes. All the way down and around. This side of the layout, so we can assemble 60, 70 car long trains without any problem. And here's a little size comparison. That's a full-size Walthers Santa Fe passenger car next to it. And it comes up to about the back of the cab. So this is one big locomotive.